Muna nga ito press presentation and press conference. Kumusta nga itong assessment and evaluation? Kumusta itong pasabog this year?
Yes, pasabog because they are all beautiful and everyone would agree. So atong top 20, nakuha din nato ang atong top 20 na they are really the official candidates for this year's Reyna ng Davao 2025. So this is just the beginning of the many events and activities that they will be joining prior to the Grand Coronation Night, which will be on June 20. So daghan pa silang mga activities.
Ma'am, cash prize.
Yes, naanatay cash prize, the same as last year. But as mentioned kanina, ang ato ang pasabog this year, last year ang ato ang Reyna ng Davao, wala tay title for the first and second runner-up. But this year, ang atong first and second runner-up will have its title. Natay Reyna na title for the first and second runner-up, so that it will be a worthwhile siya na reign for the first and second runner-up this year. And naabot tayo pasabog because we will be introducing a tourism runway challenge. So all top 20 will be doing their video challenge through ramp, but they will highlight the tourism sites of the city, and that will be judged, and someone out of the top 20 will be winning that title.
Ma'am, with the Reyna ng Davao po, ano yung naging contribution na niya sa success ng tourism industry ng Davao City?
Yes, the crucial contribution because, as mentioned, our office is doing a lot of activities. So they are our extender in promoting the city. They will be our extender in as a mouthpiece of our tourism in the city. They will be used for any official engagements that the city will be having. Daghantag mga requests, particularly sa ato ang mga events and activities na related diri na moanhi diri sa city, and they will appear as a representation of the Davao City government through the City Tourism Office. So it's very important na mamili gyud ta og maayo na mga reigning queens, because they not only beauty queens for nothing. They will talk about how lovely the city is, what are the things that they will do in the city, and they will be our extender to promote the Davao City, not only in the Philippines but the entire world. With the advent of technology, they must be keeping what are the things that we are doing in the city and promote it as well.
On a personal note, some of the previous Mutya had been tagged you as the Queen Mother because you've been doing exerted efforts being the OIC of the City Tourism.
Yeah.
Feel po that you have been tagged as
Oh no, a Queen Mother, yeah. I am a mother, yes, and I'm so happy also to impart and to really elevate all the pageantries in our city. So during the time that we also joined in the City Tourism, this is the directive of our city mayor to put parang a platform for all pageantries. So na-align na sad nato siya. In fact, ang araw ng Davao, that is where we highlight Mutya ng Davao. Then for the Reyna ng Davao, we highlight it during Duaw ng Davao because that is one of the pillar for the Duaw. And of course, the Hiyas sa Kadayawan, we will be highlighting that one for in time for Kadayawan. So we're so happy na naanagid siya home sa atong festival, and that is what the perspective of the mayor na magkaroon siya og kanang segmentation sa atong activity. As a Queen Mother, yes, I am a queen and I'm a mother as well. Thank you.
thank you.